If you want to increase your existing internet speed, how to do this? Let's see. Just open a browser. First of all, I want to see my existing internet speed. Just click speedtest.net by Okla. You can see here. Just click on go. You can see here the internet download and upload speed is 22 megabyte per second and upload is 22 megabyte per second. Now I am trying to show you how to change this upload and download after setting this Node.js. Just click on it for download 2.9.0 LTE. This is open source JavaScript runtime environment. Just click on it, then open. After completed download, just open the folder. This file has been downloaded. Just I am copying from this and paste here for identification. This one is downloaded files. On double click this file for install. I'm just installing this option. I'm just installing this software. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Please wait. You can just wait. Computing specifications. Just click on next. And I accept terms and license agreement. Then next. Then next. Then next. Click on it. And next. Install. Yes. Just click on finish and just open CMD run as administrator. Open it and then press yes and type here. After open CMD, just copy this text. I have already given this text on my video description. You can copy from the video description. Just I am copying this. Copy, then paste here and press enter. Then copy this line and paste here, then press enter. Here you can see the version. After this press start, copy this and press here enter. Here you can see the localhost port number and IP address. Dispatching the address. Then open internet option. Just click here and type here internet option. Here you can see, just open it and go to connection. Click on it, connection. And here you can see the LAN settings. Just click on it and proxy server. Here you can see, just click on this option and go to advanced. Here the socket option. Just type here this localhost and this is the port number is 1080. This port number type here a localhost. After this, just click on OK, then press OK and then press OK. After this apply, I am trying to check the internet speed. I'm just open. Here is the existing internet speed 22 megabyte upload and download. Just go to plus tab option and try again speed test. Then go to speed test by Okla. Here you can see, just go, click on it. I hope it will be double. Here you can see the megabyte per second, 45 megabyte per second. After completed, if I want to compare existing internet, here is the before internet speed, upload and download 22 megabyte per second, and After applying the proxy, this will be 46 megabyte, 47 megabyte per second upload and download. I hope this video helpful to you. Thanks for watching.